To help you put this training into practice, we've created a set of 100 icons that you can download from the link below this video. When you download this file, you'll see two separate folders: color icons and black and white icons. Each icon is what's known as a PNG file. That's simply a format that has been saved in order for you to use these in either PowerPoint or Prezi. It will also mean that each icon has a transparent background and can be used in different places on your slides. So click on the download option below now and let's get stuck into the training. I just want to add that if you're from a large organisation, then there's a good probability that you already have a set of branded icons available to you. So get in touch with your marketing team or design team and just find out how easy you can get your hands on your own branded icons and use those within this training as well.